My name is Daniel, and my open house group made 2 projects. The project I'll be talking on is the security foot mat. This security foot mat is a device that is used to detect the presence of an intruder when approaching your house at the front door. Now, this device can be incorporated with different technologies, such as the Communication Technology Center. We can incorporate the device to have networking in such a way that it will be connected to your phone and also connected to the police headquarters near you. Because it is one thing to be alarmed, but it's a different thing to be able to take action. So this way, we'll be able to know that, okay, an armed robber is at your house or an intruder is at your house, and you quickly alert or send the signal to the police headquarters, and they will send people to help you and to help keep the situation in control. The volume can be modified because you can have visitors during the daytime and you won't want to raise an alarm or disturb the people of your house. So you can modify the volume by lowering the volume or simply putting it off. And in the night time, when you live in a low security area, you can increase the volume to the highest and it will alert you and wake you up from your sleep. Now, you can keep this alarm anywhere in your house, offices, hotels, factories, because it can cover a range of 100 meters because of the radio waves that we incorporated into the device. Now, this device is made up of 4 simple parts: the carpet, the wood plank, 2 buzzer switches, and 2 pressure switches. Now, I'll show you how it works. The weight on the pressure switches will send a signal to the alarm, which will start going off and alert the user. And you can also incorporate other technologies such as the visual optical lenses at your door, so that when the alarm goes up, you quickly look, okay, it's Miss Nemo at my gate. I'm going to open the door for her. And this is just a prototype. The real one is going to be invisible. You won't be able to see it because it will be incorporated into your floor. It will be inbuilt in your floor, and the intruder will not suspect a thing. So when they come in, no matter where they step, because it will cover a wide area, no matter where they step on, the alarm will go off because everywhere will be sensitive to their motion.
The name of my project here is electromagnetic separator. A magnetic separator can be used to separate metals from mixture of other materials. It could be used in scrap yards to separate useful metals which could be recycled from other materials. It could also be used to look for lost metallic items such as your keys. It could be used for tool fishing. For example, if your metal falls in water, you can attach a rod to look for it there. Components of the electromagnetic separator. It contains a battery, a switch, electromagnet, support, etc. An electromagnet is made when a soft metallic core, such as iron, is wired round and connected to power supply, which magnetizes metals in a mixture. Components of an electromagnet: soft metallic core like iron nail, supporting wire, switch if necessary, and a cell. A demonstration of how the magnetic separator works. So I turn on the switch from here, then I dip it in the mixture I want to separate, then it brings out the metals there. Thank you. And this is just a prototype. We could a better one could be developed with adding more batteries and supporting wires.